Technology is everywhere in our lives. When there is a power cut for just a short minute of time, did you notice how things around you just don't work anymore? That alone is just a short glimpse of what life would look like without technology.
Have you ever heard of cyberbullying? Cyberbullying reduces someone's self-confidence in achieving their goals.
Okay, we're looking for young people, but there's hardly any around. What is cyberbullying?
I don't really know.
Kids today don't know what cyberbullying really is. We need more awareness.
Fake news is all over the media, and every one of us must have been affected by it one way or the other. We talked to an expert, Shalamedangi, who can tell us about the difference between what is real and what is fake.
Guys, fake news alert! You should never be gullible and believe everything you read on social media. Have you ever wanted to try making your own videos with amazing quality?
Tech Tribe is a group of young people exploring the fascinating world of technology on your behalf.
As you might have noticed, the entire show is shot on smartphones. This is the first ever TV show in Fiji, maybe South Pacific.
Tech Tribe. Check out the pilot episode this Saturday at 4:30 p.m. on FBC TV.
If you want to become part of Tech Tribe, send us a short video via Facebook Messenger or email and tell us why you should be the next producer or presenter on Tech Tribe.